have a goat first, that's not true.
Yeah.
And
I get to know the person.
That's some seat. You know, man, want cheap is I have a job already. I'm pick up back and sit now. I'm in a tell her something like her. I'm going to take her. Alright, I'm going to go there because she had me out. Straight them. I like bossy. She don't want nobody, sir. She me run taxi. And she just feel that she can't get to a man, can call her, can buy
and drop her off.
She don't want nobody. She just want one man for you. I mean, the band that one man do me sorry. I saw?
It's locked. Oh, yeah, it was.
How long will I go? Oh, sorry.
One side.
Oh, so 2 minutes, sure. Oh. Sorry.
If you write this, please and thank you.
That's the one. Oh my God.
You can say hi.
Hi.
So I'm a taxi driver, guys. So. Yeah, but I'm a taxi driver. Yeah, can go out and see you?
Yes, this is a. Yeah. I'm taking her safe to town. You don't have to worry.
You can ask my idea. Ask me a while ago. They made answer.
Yeah, listen to me now. I was asking her something. You see, I was saying to her that I met a lady on Monday, and by Friday she won 3 beefs KFC already. So what do you think about it?
Drop it down in the comments, guys. Let me know.
Yeah.
Say about buying the KFC.
No, because I thought she's just using me because she don't want nobody. So I want to know if she really needs somebody. I want your opinion, my dear. I met this lady on Monday, and by Friday she won 3 piece KFC. So what do you think about it?
Maybe she be hungry. Maybe she just wants something to eat.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, I respect what you have done. You're a very smart young lady. I mean, on the internet.
So right into town. So yeah. But some girls, they say, I mean, I want to say, test me out the case if you say how if you mean or if you not mean first.
Town.
Right? So you can't say she want you out, you know. Some of them just want to see if you mean first. Because you know, say I want to ask if you have to chun. So they want to see if you're willing to buy KFC. And then so. You understand me? We're on the right.
Well, that's not how you test people, man. Because we don't go out yet, so don't test me that way.
So the talk after, you see
No, sir. 2 times she ring me and hang up. That's all.
Oh, rocky. That means she not a credit done.
I may have to call her up on her phone.
So if you talk to her and hear what she have to say.
2 times she ring me, she ring and hang up. I may have to call her.
All the time and she not call you one time and say, alright.
No, sir.
Even for 5 minutes?
Not even a minute.
That's sad, man. If you want somebody that show them a little effort and
Yeah,
say, babes, walk on all the road. It's alright. And then somebody.
So she'll answer and tell me what is what?
Yeah, they might comment in a video and tell me, and if I buck you up again, me tell you what them say.
Mama want to know now.
They're not going to know. But based on my perspective, some of them just want to test you out first to see if you're mean. Because some of them ever say taxi man, you know. Some people say taxi man, but taxi man, you know.
But I mean that way there. You can put it on Facebook, please. I want to go on Facebook, please. You know,
I think it's to be on YouTube then. You want to put it on YouTube?
YouTube, yes. Let me talk to myself. Yes, I am Percival Prince, yes. I'm running the route from right down the stretch. Yes, this is one of my good customers. I'm taking her to downtown Kingston. I am Percival Prince. Yes, to all this, please note that this taxi operator run the route from. I'm driving an Acne carriage, yes.
Oh, Jesus.
And I'm on the YouTube now, so please note.
Anytime I see him, take him.
Yes,
Because
please.
you can multitask, because I look on the video of my driver. So
Yes, I can multitask, alright? Yeah, I'm on the road driving. Okay, bye. To all my family, please.
And abroad
note,
and all these
and
things.
abroad and all over Jamaica. This is Percival Prince, alright? Taxi operator. Please look on YouTube, you see me. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.
Oh my God, it's not easy, you know? Easy as sad.
They must see that.
They must see them soon.
Eh? And they
must comment on them soon.
They must call me.
You never give me them no. You never tell them no box.
Oh my God, yes. We can't put my number on it, please. Put my number on it.
You want your number on it?
Yes. Yes, my telephone number. I want some comment, please. My telephone number is 533
1876 533.
Yeah, 1876 533 6294. That's my telephone number. 533-6294. Please give me a call.
I had to pick up at airport and
I
charter.
do pick up at the airport, chartered all over the globe. Please call me and give me a work.
But you know, so
Okay. So they must see my number.
Yeah, they must see your number.
Lord, I don't want to hear it.
I can hear it too, see it. Maybe your phone now turn up by the time you put it up.
Then put it up. I'm still, yeah man. Yeah man. Done! Yeah man, early. Ready with pump.
We set up a flight, the curly one, green part.
Juice. What?
Yeah, keep your phone shut. Look here.
Yes guys, so right now the bus is just about to leave downtown Kingston to go to Montego Bay. Because I don't know if I told you guys that I was going there. It's Clear's sister's birthday. So we can just celebrate, but I have work tomorrow. So you know, team no sleep again. But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Remember, if you're new here, then you can leave the subscribe button, and to like, share it with your friends, and leave your feedback in the comment section. I really do appreciate it. So let's begin our long journey to Montego Bay. Guys, we'll just reach out watching. We're headed towards Mobile. Clear. Clear over the side gears. That's my cartoon from morning. From there. So it's 6:46 p.m. now. So I'm gonna show you how Ouch look for those who don't remember. I just want to see how Ouch look. Guys, we're there at one rest stop in Ochi. Like, this is where you use a bathroom and all them stuff there. So we complete after the journey. So, and it's clear. So, now the bathroom very full. So I must have to wait for everybody. The breeze in the air. So, yeah. Still waiting. Lago. And then after clear is me. This is my OOTD. So yeah. So guys, I just finished with my ackee and sawfish. I'm gonna use the batch Marion. I just finished my food. Like we're done full already. So yeah. Ackee and sawfish is good. And if I have to leave back in I'm sure. This is what I've leave back out of everything. So yeah. Guys, we just reached at the location where we're staying for the night.
Oh, she's so tiny.
I couldn't help myself. Donna, Cleo wanted to see Bubbles.
Oh, so little.
Yes, Cleo is obsessed with pets.
Hi. Say hi to Vlog World.
First was like, whoa. It's a female, Cleo.
I know.
Watch Paris. What Paris? What is it? Wow. That's what you
She
said?
drinks red.
Wow.
Shih Tzu and food.
Crystal birthday. Snap and tap. Comment below and say happy birthday, Crystal. Happy birthday to you. Flower, come sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to her.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. So guys, we just reached. We have limited time, so I'll charge up my phone and start getting ready because the time's already late. So
Hello everybody. Yeah, so we're now at Montego Bay. We should have left like 50 minutes ago, but we're still here. Birthday girl is taking an extremely long time to get ready. But guys, the night will be in. Don't it? But guys, the night will be interesting. We got things planned for you, so stay tuned. Stiffer or she can go on. Yeah, people, check out my outfit. Okay.
5 minutes to 11, and we're leaving now. So, but Clea take some picture. She asked me to take some picture of her. So that what I do, and we're gonna leave. And then somebody should call a taxi already though. Oh, so yeah, this is my outfit though. So yeah, I'll try.
I don't think so.
Of course, you look nice. What are you talking about? You're born like what?
Face like ooh, you like ah. Your heart's gonna like me. Pussy hole one fight, tighten up.
Da.
You're too far away from me. Go away, Shay. It's this. Yeah.
I can't dance to save my life. That's a joke though, I can. Just to save my life though. Oh, yeah, put the phone on so I'll show you guys everything what we're wearing today. Wait is this. So this is my full. I'm trying to make my outfit good. So this is what I'm wearing. It's a regular jumpsuit. Show them what you're wearing. And there is the birthday girl. Stop it. Come in the vlog and show them what you're wearing for your birthday. This is Crystal outfit. Guys, message the back cam says.
Okay, looks like this. Yeah.
Don't they look cute? Looking nice. Yeah. And the ears. I'm supposed to believe in pictures again. Right here, just see the artwork with Paris. That's up there. It looks so nice for your birthday though. Are you going again? Guys, turn on. Watching, no, I'm gonna see it.
I forgot to train this.